Here's a situation that comes up in 9-ball every once in a while. The 5-ball is pinned to the rail, the 9-ball is hanging, and playing safe probably isn't a good idea because if we leave anything or any type of a shot, it looks like we could lose the game. What we're going to do is we're going to double kiss the 5 in, and here's the way you figure it out. I take this line here, which goes straight toward the 5, and I come over here, and I see what that angle is. And what we want to do is we want to come 1/3 of the angle. And that's the line we're cutting the 5-ball down. We're 1/3 of the angle, cutting the 5-ball down that line, which gives us an aim point of right here. Now we want to make sure we hit this with low, and we don't have to hit it too hard. And that's the 1/3 the angle for the double kiss shot.